Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the hydrogen bonding, and this is one of the most important topic. Let's start with this hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is the bonding which is formed between the hydrogen and more electronegative atoms. The bonding which is formed between more electronegative atoms is called hydrogen bonding. And more electronegative atoms कौन से होते हैं? They are the fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. And इसको learn करने का क्या तरीका है? That is a phone, F-O-N, phone. Fine. So fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. The three elements which can form the hydrogen bonding. यही तीन एलिमेंट हैं जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग फॉर्म करते हैं, और जहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगा वहाँ का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. चलिए इसको डिस्कस करते हैं एग्जाम्पल से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम टेकिंग द HF. This is not a hydrogen bonding. This is a hydrogen bonding. Fine. H और F, this इनमें जो बॉन्डिंग है वो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं है. जो दो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में बन रही है वो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है. ठीक है. दिस इज अ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. One will be a hydrogen and another one will be a most electronegative element. Fine. And water that also contain the hydrogen bonding. For example, water, the molecules of water and here it will be a water. Again the same molecule. The bonding will be like this. ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन, दो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जो बॉन्डिंग होगी वो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगी. एंड द एलिमेंट शुड बी अ हाइड्रोजन एंड मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट लाइक दिस. ठीक है. तो इस बॉन्डिंग को बेटा हम क्या बोलते हैं? हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बोलते हैं. फाइन. सो हाइड्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन है, एंड सेम एज इट इज जो है अमोनिया NH3, it will form the hydrogen bonding. Nitrogen structure will be like this, hydrogen. If I am making some another molecules like this, that will form the hydrogen bonding. That is the hydrogen bonding. Fine. The hydrogen bonding is that bonding which is formed between the hydrogen and more electronegative element, and more electronegative elements are fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Fine. And what are the factors which affect the hydrogen bonding? The effects of hydrogen bonding. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगी तो क्या क्या इफेक्ट्स होंगे? वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस. One is the association, another one will be the high melting and boiling point. Two main factors are there. First one is the association. Association means they make the bond. For example, carboxylic acid is there. It always exists in dimer. What it means dimer? Di means two, mer means dimerize, merge होना. ठीक है. दो मॉलिक्यूल्स मर्ज होते हैं, और कैसे मर्ज होते हैं? बाय मेकिंग द बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, इसको स्ट्रक्चर को ड्रॉ करते हैं बेटा. CH3 डबल बॉन्ड O, COH, CCH3, here it is OH, double bond O. So it will form the hydrogen bond and they exist like this. ठीक है, that is called the association of two molecules. That is called the association of two molecules. That will form the dimer. That will form the dimer. Is it clear, बच्चे? Next one is, second is melting point and boiling point. As the hydrogen bond forms, melting and boiling point will increases, because on forming the hydrogen bond, strength will increases and melting and boiling point will also increases. As hydrogen bond formed, melting point and boiling point increases. Fine beta. Now we are going to discuss two types of hydrogen bonding. One will be a intermolecular hydrogen bonding, another will be a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. One will be a intermolecular hydrogen bonding, another will be a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So types of hydrogen bonding. Types of hydrogen bonding. One will be a intermolecular hydrogen bonding and second will be a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular. What is the difference between them? One by one we will discuss. Let's start with the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the hydrogen bonds are formed between two different molecules. For example, HF, one of the simplest formula is that HF and HF. This is one molecule, this is another molecule. The bonding between them, that is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And intermolecular hydrogen bonding is stronger than the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The reason will be there. First of all, we have to discuss the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bond which is formed between within the molecule, that is called the intramolecular hydrogen bond. For example, this is a benzene which is made by Kekulé. Fine. And here we can take NO2 group. Open structure of NO2 group is like this. Here it is O and H. This is one molecule. And within the molecule, they can form the hydrogen bond. But on the basis of inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular bonding is more stronger than intramolecular hydrogen bonding, because in intramolecular hydrogen bonding repulsion will be there, because दो molecules हैं वो neighbor हैं, तो it can cause the repulsion. Due to repulsion, bonds are weaker in intramolecular hydrogen bonding rather than the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Remember this thing. Fine. Due to repulsion between neighboring atoms or molecules, intramolecular bond get dissociate very easily. So intermolecular bonding is more stronger. Intermolecular bonding is more stronger than intramolecular. than intramolecular. Fine. This is a topic which is hydrogen bonding, and as the hydrogen bonding increases, viscosity also increases. What do you mean by viscosity? Viscosity is thickness, viscous होना. फाइन. सो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बढ़ते हैं तो विस्कोसिटी बढ़ती है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बढ़ते हैं तो मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इंक्रीज होता है. फाइन. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बढ़ने से जो सॉल्युबिलिटी है वो भी इंक्रीज होती है. अगर मान लीजिए मैंने वाटर है उसमें इथेनॉल ऐड कर दिया तो ऑक्सीजन था इथेनॉल में और वाटर में हाइड्रोजन था, तो दैट कैन फॉर्म द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, सो सॉल्युबिलिटी विल बी इंक्रीजेस. सो दिस इज अ टॉपिक ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. थैंक यू बेटा.